from Alexander Waters. Today we're making a volcano, and first we're gonna put this baking soda, and this time air went in, so it got pretty hard, so we don't have to use spoons. We can just use this big cone of rock. So let me just put that inside there. Wow, that's a big piece. And then I'm gonna put some water. Warm water. Sorry. I'm just gonna use a few. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put
a drop. Yeah,
a
just
drop
a little
of soap.
drop. One drop.
One drop, one drop, one drop, one drop, one drop, one drop.
All right.
Then we're gonna add some food coloring. Which one are you gonna do first, Mommy?
Well, I'll choose the red.
Red?
Yes. It is my favorite color. A few drops.
And plus, it's for Valentine's Day.
Ah, red is for love.
One, two.
All right.
And then we're gonna put the green, right?
Yeah. Wow. Okay, cool. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
We're gonna put the green, we're gonna put the green. Then,
How many drops?
2.
Okay, 2 drops.
Or maybe 1. 1, 2.
That would be
And
kind of cool.
I think you have to mix it.
Really?
So I'm gonna mix it with a teaspoon.
Okay.
Which is better is because it's a small glass.
Okay.
And this one, it will be harder because you have to go big and then you can't stir easy.
No. Let's see.
It's
Red
black.
and green make purple, I believe. It just look dark.
Yeah, I think it's purple too, maybe.
Let me see. Close up. All right. Did the baking soda get soft at all? Oh, yeah.
A little bit. It's getting a lot soft.
Yeah, sorry, guys. Air got into it. It got a little hard, but it'll be okay. All right.
And-
So, next.
And then next.
And final, we're going to use the vinegar. You could just like pour it into the glass.
But
You don't have to
no,
worry about a spoon. No, pour it until it foams up. Yay, let's keep it going. Whoa! Wow! You see? Yeah, volcano eruption. Volcano. Woo! We're gonna add more food coloring to make it cool. Go ahead, pour vinegar. Pour the vinegar. Wee! Isn't that cool? Yeah. Whoa! Sorry, guys.
Put some green. Put some green too.
Wow.
Put some green too before it runs out.
Oh, I'm trying. Woo! Go ahead, add the vinegar. Ooh, this is so cool. Whoa. Ooh. Green and red volcano. This is so awesome. Wow.
Ooh, that's a lot.
That is awesome. That is so awesome.
That is very awesome.
Ooh, look at that color. Green.
But
red.
finally, we're gonna put some more soap.
More soap?
Yeah.
Oh, dude. All right, that's it.
And then we're gonna
We ran out
put
of
more
vinegar.
water.
Okay, that's it. I think that's it for the volcano. Wow. Whoa, he dumps it out. All right. Great job. Great job.
Dang. It's so fun.
Oh, wow.
But Bye. And thanks for watching. You should also watch our other one and see if we did it right or see if we did it different. And give a thumbs up for Alexander Boulders. Woo! Bye. And guys, look at my new fancy slippers. Look, and they are bunnies. Boing, boing, boing.
Emojis. Okay, guys.
Bye, guys.